Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to force stop apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone that may be acting unresponsive or locking or freezing up your phone, making it act very sluggish. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the setting gear icon. If you don't see it on your home screen, you may have to swipe up your phone and then select the setting button on this page. And then you want to select the apps button and then select under apps where it says all apps. Go ahead and select that. And then locate the app that you want to disable or it's causing the problem. So just go ahead and select it and then select the force stop option and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.